Good Thursday, everyone. We've got a lot to talk about, so we'll jump right on in. Upper Cumberland Federal Credit Union bringing us our headlines: tropical downpours, watching a flash flood risk, monitoring this tropical moisture moving up from the Gulf. And yes, we're even monitoring a potential dangerous heat wave that may be developing across our area the end of next week. So we've been watching this tropical moisture in the Gulf. You see this on the water vapor imagery, that white blob you see there off the coast of Louisiana. Probably not going to develop into a tropical storm, just doesn't have much time. It spent a little time on some land yesterday. That little piece of land you see on the Florida panhandle there that dips out into the Gulf a little bit, that little tropical wave kind of wiggled up on that a little bit yesterday, and so it couldn't develop much. But nevertheless, it does have moisture, and that will be streaming northward. We saw showers and thunderstorms last night because of, in part, this moisture in the Gulf already interacting with our atmosphere to produce some very heavy showers and thunderstorms. Some of you folks picking up anywhere from 3 to 5 inches of rain, according to Doppler radar estimates. Prompted a flash flood warning for southwest Cumberland County, and for those of you west of us in Sparta and even up toward Monterey had some advisories and whatnot. So when this kind of atmosphere is in place, we can certainly get some heavy downpours any time of the day or night. USA Mortgage bringing us our level of concern, still level 1, not looking for widespread severe weather, but any storm could become severe, with mainly a damaging wind gust being the main threat. But I'm telling you, the flash flood risk may be our greatest threat. Clearview Closet and Blind brings us our 5-day forecast. 70% chances for scattered showers and thunderstorms through Sunday, dropping down to 50% by Monday. It's not going to rain everywhere all the time, all day, but if you've got outdoor plans, make sure you're prepared for just in case one of these storms moves over your neck of the woods. And again, deadly cloud ground lightning possible. We saw some vivid lightning displays last night with those storms. My intern from last summer is in Springfield, Tennessee for this summer. That's northwest of Nashville. And he could see the lightning of our storms from there. So some pretty tall cloud tops full of moisture, dropping some heavy rainfall and lots of lightning. Premier Generators bringing us our threat graphic. I had this Friday through Sunday. I've now backed it up to Thursday through Sunday. Again, we're just concerned about the flash flood risk. That's our main concern over the next few days. Blackert Realtors bring us our extended threats, and again, monitoring that heavy rainfall from today through Sunday, but then look at the end of next week on into the next week. Rounding out July, it's liable to be hot, and it's liable to be humid as well, so that can make for some dangerously hot heat indices. The only thing that can really kind of mess up an extended forecast with hot temperatures is if something tropical were to develop and move our way and bring us clouds and showers and rain. That would definitely nip that in the bud. But anyway, we'll keep an eye on things. We're not seeing anything like that just yet. Definitely seeing indications that we could have a dangerously hot heat wave moving in on us. And if you haven't checked out my Farmer's Almanac slide, do so. It's going to be in the app and on the website each week. And I got the little Farmer's Almanac forecast there for the 14th through the 16th. They were forecasting thunderstorms, tropical storm threat to the south, and warm, remarkably accurate, actually. So we'll see times when they're not, but you know what? It happens to all of us. You see the signs there if you go by the moon: when to cut hay, when to wash windows, when to quit smoking. I've had several people tell me they swear by that. If you go by the signs to quit tobacco, you are going to be glad you did. Going by the signs to dry fruit in your vegetables, destroy pests and weeds. Again, I'll update this each week, so be sure and check that out. Bramall Travel bringing us our On This Day in Weather History. 1934, worst heat wave in the nation. My goodness, in 1934, 679 lives lost in Michigan, 300 in Detroit alone. 1957, a powerful dust devil on a sunny day in Wilmington, Delaware, took part of the roof off a house, stripped shingles from a neighboring house, blew clothes off the clothesline. My goodness. 1975, just shy of the 6th anniversary of the first moon landing, a historic handshake taking place in space between the Russians and the Americans. What an incredible moment that was. You know, science can really bring folks together that may not normally come together. So you folks have a wonderful Thursday, and you keep looking up. For more weather information, to keep up with all this crazy weather on the plateau, download that Meteorologist Mark app or follow me, meteorologistmark.com.